Are you curious about switching Linux but don't know where to start? I got something special for you. If you've been thinking about making the switch to Linux but you don't know what it's involved, my new transition series will cover everything you need to know. This is going to be a comprehensive, in-depth, step-by-step guide. It's going to cover multiple videos but also multiple weeks. We'll be talking about moving from Windows, using virtual machines, writing bootable USBs, dual booting, and transitioning to full-time Linux use if that is what you're interested in. We'll be addressing hardware compatibility and other difficulties such as secure boot, BitLocker, and other challenges. This is going to be a comprehensive beginner-friendly series. And what I would like to do is to make this easier for you because I know how overwhelming it can be to switch from Windows to Linux. That's why I'm making the series and making everything that you need to succeed without getting frustrated. I want to hear from you though. I've been doing this for 25 years, so I can transition from Windows to Linux to Mac and back again with a drop of a hat. It's very simple for me to move from one operating system to another, but that's because of experience. You may not have had that experience, so it could be overwhelming to learn how to do it or to do it for the first time. So that's why I'm asking you, and I want you to help me out here. The first video is going to be an introduction. It's going to drop on February 1st, well, technically midnight the day prior to that. However, this is where you can put your input in how you want the series to unfold. So in the comment section of this video or in the comment section of any video in that series, I want you to put in what you are getting hung up on. What do you want to get out of it? And tell me your story. Tell me some of the things that you've tried or want to try. And I will do my best to fit it into the series. So make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, and don't miss the first video of the transition series coming out soon. I can't wait to help you out on this big step towards becoming a Linux professional.